Hey guys, I'm Dave from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make a gorgeous brown skin tone color grading in Photoshop. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, select your image, adjustment, hue saturation. Select red, reduce saturation, -30%. Go to selective color. Select red. Make cyan +20. Blacks +35. Select yellow. Blacks +75. Select neutrals. Blacks +20. Go to gradient map. Pick this one as a black and white. Here shadow point color, use this color code 190E01. Click highlight point color, use this color code BC. Change blend mode to soft light. Go to adjustment, black and white. Change blend mode to luminosity. Adjust red and yellow for skin darker or brighter as you prefer. Right click, layer style. Click on this point under layering layer. Hold Alt from keyboard and separate this slide bar like this. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I'm Dave from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.
Ba ba da ba ba